Yes. Now, I'm just thought of two numbers whose sum is 12 and whose difference is 4. Find the number. First of all, we are making some supposition. We suppose the first number is x and the second number is y. These are two numbers, x and y. Now, according to the condition, whose sum is 12? X plus y, it will be 12. And whose difference is 4. If we subtract one number from the other, the answer will be 4. These are the two equations. According to the statement, the sum of these two numbers is 12, and the difference, if you subtract one number from the other, the answer is 4. Now we are asked to find out the first number and the second number. As I have told you about the 4 method, I can use elimination method, I can use by finding the value of x or y, or I can apply here the Cramer rule, and I can also apply here the inversion method. Which method do you like to be applied here? Say inversion or Cramer? Inversion. Look here, in this case, our A will be, what the coefficient is? 1, 1, 1, minus 1. This is our A. And here it will be our x and y. And our B will be 12 and 4. Okay? So, this is our A, this is our x, and this is our B. To find out the value of x, what we do? We divide both sides by A. This side is divided by A, this side is divided by A. This is cancelled, and here it became A and y over B. We know that A and y is equal to a join of A divided by determinant of A. Or A inverse will be equal to the adjoint of A. These two will change their places, position. This one from here it will be shifted to here. This minus 1 from the position of D will be shifted to the position of A. So it became minus 1 and 1, and the sign of these two will be changed. As both are plus, it becomes minus 1 and minus 1. Divided by the determinant of A. For determinant of A, these two are to be multiplied. 1 multiplied by minus 1 and minus 1 multiplied by 1. Or it is, look here, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 and 1. And here it will be minus 1 plus minus minus 1. Or in other words, it is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1 divided by minus 2. Or it is 1 over minus 2 into minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 and 1. This is the value of A inverse. Now, coming for this equation, that is x is equal to A inverse into B. The value of A inverse is 1 over minus 2, and then it is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 and 1. Where is the elements of B are 12 and 4. Now, how many columns are there in this matrix? And how many rows are there in the second matrix? Therefore, they both can be multiplied with each other. When the number of columns of the first, the number of rows of the second, both are the same, they can be multiplied with each other. So, in this case, its answer will be 1 minus 2, and here minus 1 multiplied by 12 plus minus 1 multiplied by 4. This way, this one, and this way, this one. But we go this way, then we go down. And here it will be minus 1 multiplied by 12 plus 1 multiplied by 4. Or it will be like this. Here, minus 12 and plus minus 4. And here it will be minus 12 and plus 4. And here it is minus 1 over 2. It will be minus 1 over 2. And it will be minus 12 and minus 4. Minus 16. Minus 12 plus 4. Minus 8. Now, we are going to multiply this minus 1 over 2 with these two values. If you multiply it with the first value, minus 1 over 2 multiplied by minus 16, and the second minus 1 over 2 multiplied by minus 8, it will become like this, minus minus plus, 2 1s are 2, and 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So the answer here, one of the value is 8, and the second value is 4. Now add these two values, what will we get? 8 plus 4? 12. And subtract 4 from the 8? 4. You see?